In this video, I'm going to be explaining how to use while loops in Python. Now this is really easy. First, I'm going to create a variable. X is equal to 5. Now I'm going to come and make my while loop. While x is equal to 5, and then we'll have it do something. But you might be wondering, why did I use two equal signs here? Well, one equal in Python means that you're assigning a value usually, while two equal signs in Python means that you're checking something. And so in a while statement or an if statement, whatever it is, if you're trying to have a variable be checked to equal a certain value, you should have it be equal. Now, while x is equal to 5, print hello. And I actually did not put in the quotations, but you do need quotations. Now it's going to print hello while x is equal to 5. But obviously this would just go on for infinity, right? So what I'm going to do is create another variable, which is y. Y is equal to 0. And so now what I'm going to do is y is equal to y plus 1. That means that every single time this while statement runs, y will increase. And then I'm also going to create an if statement within this while loop to say if y is equal to 3, then x is equal to 0. So once y is equal to 3, x should be equal to 0, which means that the loop won't run again. Let's run and check. There you go. So as you can see, it prints out 3 times. Hello, hello, hello. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments.